Hi everyone, Adnan here, and in this video I'll walk you through everything that you can do with FlowBookings and how you can get set up. Okay, so let's get started. Once you've signed up, you will be greeted by the dashboard, and on the dashboard you'll see a few stats and all of your upcoming bookings. And the first thing that you should do when you've signed up for FlowBookings is go to the settings and set a few things up. First of all, set up a time zone for our account. Okay, so I'm gonna select my time zone, which is India, and okay, so I have selected the time zone, and now what happens is all of the days in the week are turned off for you by default. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to turn on these days by setting working hours for these days. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll set working hours over here. Let's set them for a couple of days. I'm gonna set them for maybe 4 days. And okay, so once you've selected all of the working hours for your business, then you can go ahead and hit save. Now the basic setup of your settings is done. Okay, now you can go ahead and create services for your business. So with FlowBookings, how the model works is you have a business, you have working hours for your business, and then you have services that the business offers, and people book these services through your booking forms. Okay, so what are we going to do is we are going to create a few services, and then we're going to create a form that will go on your website, and people will be able to book your services through that form. So the first thing that you need to do when you go to services is obviously create a new service. Okay, so let's create a new service. Let's call it haircut. Okay, and I'm going to select a category. I already created a category before, so we have a category over here called hair treatments. I'll select that, and I'll give this service a duration of 30 minutes, let's say. And we need a buffer time of 5 minutes before the service, and we need a buffer time of 15 minutes after the service. Okay, and just for fun, I'll add a description for this service as well. Okay, let's save the changes, and the status of the service is by default active. If you want, you can even turn off these services by turning off the status and saving the changes, and your service will be inactive. But let's make it active again. Okay, and I'll save changes. Now once your service is created, we are ready to go and build a booking form. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll go to the form builder. Okay, on the form builder page you'll see a lot of clonables over here, and you can choose any of these clonables. These are all made using native Webflow components, and you can customize them 100% as you like. Okay, we are not really using any custom components or any embeds, so you'll be able to customize anything in these clonables. But for the sake of it, we have given you a few pre-made designs that you can use, or you can use our bare bones templates and you make your designs on them. So for the demo, I'll go ahead and choose clonable 6, and once we click on that, we'll get a script that's generated for us. Okay, now let's copy the script and paste it to Webflow. Okay, and we have to paste the script in the head tag, okay, of the page that we want the booking form in. Okay, let's save that, and we are ready to basically copy the clonable of that form and paste it over here. So let's go ahead to the dashboard again. Let's go to the next step and copy the clonable from here. Once the clonable is copied, we'll go to Webflow and we'll paste the clonable over here, and voila, you have the booking form ready. Okay, now you don't need to do anything else other than just changing the content on this form, and if you want, you can customize this form, but for the demo I'm not going to customize anything. Let's just publish this form. Okay, and let's see what we have. Okay, so the form is published. Let's go to the website, and yeah, you have the form ready over here. You have the time zone that your business works in the time slots displayed over here. You can see that our service is being displayed correctly over here. This is being dynamically pulled through the backend, and even if you update the services on your dashboard, even if you update the time slots on the dashboard, you won't have to change anything on Webflow. It will all automatically work. Okay, so let's create a test booking and let's see how it works. Okay, I am gonna create a test booking. No, yeah, John at lauren.com. Okay, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, I'll give it a phone number, and let's select our service. Let's select the date now, and over here you'll see that only the dates that are actually available with the service are being highlighted. Okay, so let's select a date that we want the haircut on, and yeah, let's select a time slot that we want the service in. and yeah, I'll book the appointment. Okay, so our appointment is booked, and this booking will show up on your dashboard once you go to FlowBookings and just go to bookings. And yeah, we have the booking over here. It is currently in the pending state, so the admin needs to go and approve this booking. Once they have viewed it and they approve of all of the things and they know that they're available in that time slot, they need to go ahead and approve this booking, and the customer will receive an email notification for the approval of this booking. Okay, and even the admin will get an email notification for that. We'll come to that next. Okay, so once a booking is created, customers are also being created over here. Okay, so we are basically done with the essential setup. There's one more thing that I need you to look at is the email customizer. Okay, let's go to settings and the email customizer, and over here you will be able to customize the emails that are being sent to the customer and to the admin. Okay, so these emails are just notificational emails that notify the customer or the admin about new bookings, the status of a booking, and stuff like that. You can customize these emails as per your wish, as per your business works. You can add any text over here. We also have placeholders over here that you can use, and you can even turn off these notifications if you don't want to send a particular notification. You can turn them off like this, and yeah, you can edit these email notifications of booking pending notification, booking approved, and all of that stuff. You can just save them. To the admin, we only send two email notifications. One is when a new booking is created, and one is 24 hours before the booking actually happens. Okay, so these are the two email notifications. You can customize them according to your needs. So that's basically it from FlowBookings, and this is all you can do with FlowBookings right now. And you can go ahead and try it out for yourself. We have a free trial, and yeah, let us know your feedback and what you think about FlowBookings. Let us know any of your feature requests. We also have a public roadmap that you can go and put in any feature requests that you have, or upvote on any existing features that we're working on. So that's pretty much it from my side, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.